So this is the Adonit Note Plus. Very cool. It's a alternate option to the Apple Pencil. So really excited about this. Some key features, takeaways, palm rejection. So again, like as you're writing on your iPad, it's not gonna your palm is not gonna be messing up whatever you're working on. It's got printer sensitivity. It also has angle. So for example, if you are not just working on something top down, you can kind of shade stuff by turning the pen to its side. And it's got programmable shortcut buttons. Another big feature comparing the Plus to their original version is this is charged via USB-C. So really exciting. But let's open this up and see what's on the inside. Cool. Ooh. So you got some paperwork here. Very cool. Apparently you need to disconnect your Apple Pencil, and here it is. So I believe that's just the power button right there. Yeah, it's lightweight, balanced pretty well. Where's the balance point? Right there. Yeah, there's that USB-C. Definitely love that. Replaceable tip. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out on my iPad. I think that this will be super cool. Great alternative to the Apple Pencil, especially if you're worried about losing that thing. It seems like it's going to be really precise and enjoyable to work with, because I know the Apple Pencil's got the tap, which is great, but having programmable buttons I think is going to make a really big difference. So I'm really excited to try this out and see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.